Rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, Sheikh.
Sheikh,
can I cover my ankles with my pants if I don't feel any pride or arrogance? People say you look like a Wahabi. They get mad at me. Jazakallah khair.
Oh, jazakum. First of all, what's wrong in looking like a Wahabi? How did the Prophet ﷺ himself wear his lower garment? And these imbeciles, ignorant imbeciles who accuse anyone complying with the Sunnah as a Wahhabi, ask them, go back to the books of Seerah, to the books of Hadith, and show me how did the Prophet ﷺ wore his waist wrapper or his lower garment. And they would tell you all the hadiths, the authentic hadiths we have describing our Prophet ﷺ, he used to wear his dress or his lower garment to the middle of his legs, which is this much above his ankles. You tell me, what would these ignorant imbeciles call him if they were to see him today? Of course, they would not dare say a word because they know that anything they utter, it would take them straight to hell, first class. So, Akhi, as a Muslim, what should we follow? Tom, Dick, or Harry? Should we follow these imams we see in the masjid in our great American cities who wear their pants and garments below the ankle? Not only that, they criticize you if you wear it above the ankle, even if this much. Should we follow them or follow our Prophet ﷺ? It's a no-brainer. Go back to the original texts, Quran and Sunnah. Show me what the Prophet ﷺ wore. Show me what the Prophet ﷺ said and follow him. But do not dare criticize those who follow him and label them as Wahhabis or as fundamentalists or as extremists, because then you may fall in the danger of mocking the Sunnah of the Prophet ﷺ knowingly or unknowingly. May Allah protect us.